Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can factory reset HP LaserJet Pro 400 M401A printer. So here you can see that this is a black printer and this is the display screen of the printer. So you have to use the OK and arrow left and right button. I have just turned on the printer and it is initializing, so it is in ready state. So you have to use the OK left and right buttons, and you have to select the menu, select setup menu report. So you have to use these buttons. So you have to move forward. Setup menu quick forms. You have to click on the right side move on button. So here you see that setup menu, setup and setup menu service. You have to select the setup menu service. After the service, so you have to select the service reset. Click on the next button, next one, service reset defaults. So after that you have to click on OK button. So after clicking on, your printer will be reset. So here you can say this printer is resetting and restarting. So you just have to wait it and it automatically will be restart after resetting. So by this method you can easily reset your printer to the default factory reset. So if you find this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel and click on bell icon, because we upload only video related to the printer and scanners. So this printer is turning on and you can see that it is initializing in the default setting. So you can use this printer by default setting. Each and everything has been reset like a new printer when you unbox it. So it is very simple, just you have to find out the services and service restore setting. So now it is in the ready state and now you can print the printer any documents you can print. Thanks for watching.